absolutely incredible. You guys absolutely showed out, and regardless of the weather, nobody's raining on our parade today. Thanks to everybody, owners, management, and I mean, the boys back here. These guys so resilient. I mean, one guy that's so underappreciated on our team and in the league, my D partner, Devon Taves. Everybody give it up. Come up here, come up here. We were doing it during the parade, but we want you guys to quiet down and then we're gonna lift you up. All right. Ready? Let's go! Thank you, Denver!